How we can loop through the dictionaries. A for loop can be used to loop through a dictionary. So when looping through a dictionary, the keys of the dictionary are returned, but they are also method to return the value. Let us take an example. So suppose that I have this list which we are already working with before. So we have employee with key name, department, employee ID and location, value John, sales 1658 and USA. So let us go and iterate through this dictionary. So we will say for employee in employee, and we will say print run, and it will play name, department, employee ID and location. Because this one, the employee, it will be returning the key. Now how we can print the value? So simplify will do the same thing, okay, but instead we using em by itself, we will say employee. So between the two square bracket we will say employee. Now it will print the entire thing. We'll print the key and the value. We can say okay, print. Now we can also use a value method which will be return the value of dictionary. So let me comment this one here. So we can say for in employee dot values, like this, dot values. Then we can print now the imp. So now it will print the value only. John sales 1658 USA. Also we can iterate using the key. We do the same thing. Instead value we will say keys, and now it will be print the keys only. Okay, now we can iterate through the entire dictionary. We need to use both key and value. We can use item for x in employee dot items. Then we can print x. So x refer to key and value together. So here we have name John, department, sales, employee ID, and we have location. Okay, so how we can copy a dictionary? So suppose that I have this list, keep working on the same list, employee, this one here list, and we need to make a copy from that list. So simplify will say okay, let me create the variable called new employee, and this one is copy from employee. So I'll say employee dot copy. That's it. Now if you print the new employee dictionary, it will print a copy from employee. So far we are working with just one item inside dictionary, but can the dictionary contain one more than items? Yeah, it can contain one more than item. Let us take this example. So here we have like big dictionary. Okay, this dictionary called employee. We have employee one, and inside employee one, we have a name, we have department, we have employee ID, and other details. So employee one, we have employee two, we have employee three. This is called instead dictionary. Let us print employee now, and which it contain all the information. If we need to print the information regarding employee one, just only we need employee one. So basically, like for this one here, one we need John and sales and all details here. We specify this one here. Okay, run. Now it will print only the information about first employee, second employee, here is print the second employee. So this is the instead